makapiling sinta. Di mo papansin, ako sa'yo'y may pagtingin. Sana ang tinig ko'y iyong dinggin. Ako ngayon'y hindi mapalagay, pagkat ang puso ko'y nalulumbay. Sana ay pagkaingatan mo ito at tandaan mo ang isang pangako. Pangako, hindi kita iiwan. Pangako, di ko pababayaan. Pangako, hindi ka na mag-iisa. Pangakong magmula ngayon'y tayong dalawa ang magkasama.
Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my mother would hold me tight and whisper that I was her true best friend. Take hold my hand when I had my fears and help me face them right through the years. Oh, I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another hug, another dance with her, I'd play a song that went on and on. How I'd love, love, love to dance with my mother once
Tita
more.
Alma, I just want to say thank you for being a mother to all of us, sa aming lahat, sa aming magpipinsan. And thank you for being lola sa mga anak namin, for loving them unconditionally. Like, lahat sila pantay-pantay sa'yo. And above all, thank you for always taking me back nung nagre-rebelde ako sa inyo noon. Kahit anong kalokohan ang gawin ko nung mga panahon na yun, pagsasabihan mo lang ako. At the end of the day, you always take me back. Dahil sa mga pangaral na yun, Tita Alma, hindi ko mararating kung ano yung narating ko ngayon sa buhay ko. So, for that, I just want to say thank you. You can rest now, Tita Alma. Life's not gonna be the same without you, Tita Alma. I love you, Tita Alma, and till we see you again, Tita Alma. Goodbye. I love you.
Ate, miss kita. Wala iniwan mo na ako eh. Dami na natin na pag-usapan mo. Though I know pupunta tayo sa puntong ito, pero still mahirap pa rin para sa akin. Trying to be tough, just like you always say, my Benito is tough. Sister, wala naman si Mana Aida. Ikaw, si nanay. Hirap, pero iniisip ko na lang, kahit paano, kasama mo na sila. No more pain. Pero sana, yung lagi ko sinasabi sa'yo, na mahal kita. Kung kakalimutan niyo lang, i-guide mo pa rin ako. Wala na akong tatawagan. May problema ako. Sino pang makikinig? Pero, kahit na gano'n, hirap man. Sana, maging masaya ka na kasama nila tatay ni nanay, Manayta, Tisoy. Just remember, mahal na mahal kita. I will forever miss you. Thank you.
I know I'm praying for much too much, but could you send back the only one I loved? I know you don't do it usually, but dear Lord, I'm dying to dance with my mother again. Every night I fall asleep, this is all I ever dream.
I fluffed the pillows, made the bed, stacked the chairs up, folded your nightgowns neatly in a case. John said he'd drive, then put his hand on my cheek and wiped a tear from the side of my face. And I hope that I see the world as you did, 'cause I know a life with love is a life that's been lived. So I'll sing hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of my mom. When I fell down, you'd be there holding me up. Spread your wings as you go, and when God takes you back, He'll say hallelujah, you're home. Hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of my mom. You got to see the person I have become. Spread your wings, and I know that when God took you back, He said hallelujah, you're home. I fluffed the pillows, made the bed, stacked the chairs up, folded your nightgowns neatly in a case. John said he'd drive, then put his hand on my cheek and wiped a tear from the side of my face. And I hope that I see the world as you did, 'cause I know a life with love is a life that's been lived. So I'll sing hallelujah. You were an angel in the the shape of my mom. When I fell down, you'd be there holding me up. Spread your wings as you go. And when God takes you back.
Ang hirap gumawa ng message. Ang hirap pigilan ng luha, ah. But, ito. Thank you, Mommy, for the love, for the care, for the support. Thank you for the advice sa heartbreaks ko. Thank you kasi ikaw na naging second mother ko simula nung nawala si Mama. And honestly speaking, ngayong wala ka na, I'm trying to figure out how am I gonna go through life without you. Kasi ikaw na yung lagi kong tinatakbuhan eh, kapag hindi ko na kaya. Ano na? But I guess at one point I just have to figure it out. And anak ako ni Aida, pamangkin ako ni Alma, apo ako ni Modesta. 3 matriarchs of the family who are so strong, so kind, so compassionate. And you'll always be here. You'll always be here with me. I will always think about you. I will always honor your name. In a few years' time, I am going to graduate as a social worker. And whatever I'm going to do and whatever I'm doing, it's all because of you, Mama and Lola. Thank you, Mommy. Thank you for everything. I hope you're smiling on us and watching over us. I don't know, you're probably having a blast there with Mama, Lola, and Lolo. Sana. So, yun lang. Again, thank you, Mommy. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. We would like to extend our deepest condolences to our family in the Philippines for Tita Alma's passing away. And Raphael, the kids are here to read a poem for her.
God saw she was getting tired and a cure was not to be. So he put his arms around her and whispered, "Come with me."
With tear-filled eyes, we watched her suffer and fade away. Although we loved her deeply, we could not make her stay. A golden heart stopped beating, hard-working hands put to rest. God broke our hearts to prove to us He only takes the best.
Yeah, to our family there, as sad as it is for all of us, what we're going through right now with the passing of Mami Alma, we find comfort regarding this poem that God only takes the best, no? And then definitely she's one of the best for all of us, no? For the family and then even the students of FESALE. She has become a mentor to a lot of people. To our family there, Daddy Teddy, Riza, Kisha, Ezra, stay strong. This too shall pass. Eventually, we will find answers. We'll have answers as to why things has to happen. But for the meantime, God bless everyone. Stay strong. And again, condolences to everyone in the Philippines. Bye.
Here I am, looking down on you from heaven. It's so peaceful, it's so free, like you pray. It is warm, it's so bright and so beautiful. All my fears and my pain have gone away. 'Cause here in heaven,
we love you, Lola Alma. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you for being our second mother. And I know there's no more pain. I know magkikita na kayo nila Lolo, Lola, Ezer, and Mama Aida. Send our love to them as well. I know sometimes you always have some disagreements, but you're the most kindest person that I've ever known. I love you so much. Goodbye. 2, 3, go.
I love you, Lola, Ma. I love you. Mama, Papa. Papa, di Mama.
Elizabeth, say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bisous.
and someday we will walk these clouds together. But first you must go and see the world for me. 'Cause here in heaven, oh, I miss you so. But
mo sa akin, ibibit mo yung ibang tsura ko dito.
in the angels' choir, I hope that you go and live your life. Never give up. One day we will reunite. We'll reunite. We'll reunite. I'm okay, 'cause I'm dancing in the sky. And each day I'm singing in the angels' choir. And I hope that you go and live your life. Never give up. One day we will reunite. We'll reunite.
I found love for me. Darling, just dive right in and follow my lead.
Mami, oh, gusto niyang hawakan kamay niyo.
I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Oh, I never knew you
Darling,
were someone.
relationship goals, okay?
Cause we're just kids when we're barely in love. Nothing but what it was. I will miss you. But darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass. Listening to our favorite song. When the sun you look a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, you great, and you look perfect tonight. I love you, Mama. Well, I found a woman, that's your mama, stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams and hopes, and someday I'll share her home. I found a love you carry more than just my secret. You carry love to your children of our own. You are still the peace that's going well, fighting against I know it'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand, be my girl, be your man. I see my future in your eyes, baby. I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in the dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this, darling. You look perfect tonight.
Ay!
Hi. I'm home. Thank you, ha. Thank you sa inyo. Kung hindi sa inyo, hindi ako lalabas. Thank you, thank you. Mwah. From the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. I love you all.